everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you a new set called Resemble. Resemble means something similar or look alike. It's either you're going to play it with your partner or your friend. The first beat, which is the break, is ton, to, ton, to, ton, to, ton. Now let's play twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat will be bass, ton, bass, ton, bass, ton, 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 bass, ton, bass, ton, 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 ton. But we're going to play it half-half. The first half is bass, ton, bass, ton, bass, ton, ton, ton. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second half is bass, ton, 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 ton. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the first part of Resemble. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.